talking about anti-aging medicine, how important is it to know our own gene expression? Is that important?
Oh, definitely. No question about it. But it was always believed, for example, when an older person asks the doctor, should I do exercise or do this? And the doctor would probably say, oh, well, no, at your age, you may hurt yourself. It's all in your genes, nothing you can do about it. Totally, absolutely wrong. 25 years ago, we did a longevity study actually showing that the genes are important, but that bottom line, a bad set of genes treated correctly can outperform a good set of genes treated badly. Like in our case, we used Swiss albino cancer-prone mice, right? And we subjected them to cigarette smoke. Naturally, they get cancer faster. If you use antioxidants, you will slow that down. But if you use antioxidants on these cancer-prone mice, even without any subjection to cigarette smoke, they live even longer, right? Those are the animals we used in our studies. I mean, one of the basic studies that we used, and that goes into the stem cell field too. We normally have controls in animal studies and treated animals. And then we measure the difference, the improvements that we get, for example, by feeding them very recently at a Canadian university. They had a complement of different vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and showed that the animals lived longer and had less cancer, right? Well, when you apply this in a more detailed basis, you will also want to know what happens if you subject these animals to the wrong health practices, right? And that's what we did. We had controls, we have treated animals, and then we have animals that we subjected to a high-fat diet, a high-sugar diet, cigarette smoke. There's machines that you can actually, for longevity studies, you stick a cigarette in there, and it constantly sucks cigarette smoke through the cages. They were not made to do any exercise, and the treated animals had a better environment. They were made to do exercise in a rotating drum. We had a diet that consisted of antioxidant, quality supplements, right? Relatively little stress. The difference was 100% in average lifespans. That is absolutely magnificent, right? As a matter of fact, that is one of the bases of our program, the program in my book, where I then lead into the different health practices, well defined, and now also described as of how to, what we can do. Now that's the basis. Going beyond that, that's when we go into stem cells.